As mentioned in the previous video, we have the reference, external reference, also referred to as XREF, which can be accessed by the XREF command, which gives you external references. And as you can see over here, there are many external references, some of which is loaded, some of which are not found or unreferenced. So firstly, what we will do is we'll open this and we'll transfer using the copy or the cut command into the original file, and then we'll remove all the references. This is very beneficial, especially when you're working with DIALux, because DIALux will not accept any files with external links. It will give you an error showing that the drawing contains external links or link to an external file. This means that there is XREF in the drawings. Sometimes it's visible like this. Many times it might not be visible as well. In that, you will click Control A, click Shift button as we did before, deselect all the objects. Although I would advise to use the solid state, especially when you are removing the XREF, and then clicking delete. This way, it will remove any arbitrary objects which might have an external reference, and that is causing error in DIALux. So let's see how we will export this and copy paste or cut paste this using the commands that we have already studied into the original file.
If you have benefited from this video, then click the link below to enroll in AutoCAD for advanced users, where we will see multiple topics in detail. We'll also learn a lot more common tips and tricks like introduction, like what are the outs. Even we'll understand layers, block, commands, and many much more advanced topics, like for example how we can work with XREF and also modifying the reference files. So click on the link below and enroll today on the Udemy platform.